What are the risks of using driver update software? Imagine clicking a button expecting your computer to run smoother and faster, but instead, you end up with a system crash or security issue. That's what can happen when you use driver update software without caution. Driver update software is meant to help keep your device drivers current, which is important for hardware compatibility, system stability, and security. But it's not always a safe shortcut. One big risk is compatibility problems. Drivers are specialized programs that let your operating system talk to hardware devices like printers, graphics cards, or sound systems. Because every computer setup is different, an updated driver that works perfectly on one machine might not work on another. Installing the wrong driver can cause hardware to stop working or even crash your entire system. You might see error messages or the dreaded blue screen of death. Another issue is system instability. Drivers operate at a low level within the operating system, controlling critical hardware functions. If a driver update is faulty or improperly installed, it can freeze your system or cause it to crash unexpectedly. This can lead to data loss or requiring you to do a system recovery, which takes time and effort. Security is also a concern. While outdated drivers can leave your system vulnerable to attacks, driver update software from unreliable sources can pose even bigger risks. Some third-party updater tools might include malware, spyware, or adware that can compromise your privacy and security. It's always safer to get drivers directly from the official hardware manufacturer or trusted sources. Automatic driver updates can also push unnecessary or incompatible updates. Many drivers don't need frequent updates, and installing them unnecessarily can cause more harm than good. These updates might not improve performance or security but could introduce bugs or conflicts. It's best to update drivers only when you experience issues or when new features or security patches are clearly needed. Driver update tools often lack the ability to analyze your specific hardware and software environment fully. They might recommend or install drivers based on generic criteria, missing key details about your system. This means there's no guarantee that an updated driver will work perfectly on your machine. In summary, while keeping drivers up to date is important for your device's health, using driver update software can carry risks like compatibility issues, system crashes, security threats from unreliable sources, and unnecessary updates. The safest approach is to manually download drivers from official sources, verify they are compatible with your operating system, and only update when necessary. This aligns with the core role of device drivers in operating systems, which is to enable smooth and reliable communication between hardware and software.